See?
L.
Well, there are 4 L's. That might make you more nervous. There are 4,000.
Wyatt, turn on the Christmas tree.
You want to reach $4,150?
There you go.
No, you don't. I shouldn't even finish the speech.
Sorry.
I rehearsed this. I'm a trained professional. Oh, that's all right. Okay.
I'll buy a vowel though.
Okay.
E.
There are 2.
Put it on.
Yeah.
Where's it go?
C. C. No, that's it. C.
You got the bankrupt without gambling on it. I'm sorry. I'll take that too. Jeff, it's your turn.
No, no.
Y. Yeah, 2 Y's. That's $1,000.
No, no. Wyatt, no, no.
Reach the brakes up on that wheel.
3 O's.
Silly boy.
Bankrupt and someone's on a roll.
I like the song composer. All right. You had me at hello,
Dolly. Dolly!
Holly.
No, it's Dolly! Hello, Dolly!
It's your turn. I messed it up.
Yes, you did.
Oh,
You had me at hello,
don't bite.
Dolly.
Not, oh, Mommy just was checking to see if he had something in there.
2 H's.
He's gonna so kill himself.
She don't know.
Yes, she does.
Yeah.
She knows it.
You have me at hello, Dolly.
Yeah, that's it.
Ba 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 ba. Basketball.
Well, hello, Dolly.
Yeah, you're up to 3,000. It happens, Jeff. You're doing it yourself. And there's another word there.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Are you taking
No,
off your
no, no, no.
shoes?
Hockey.
Take off your shoe. Give me your other shoe.
A new $1 million quiz show has dropped. Look out!
Oh, it's my new favorite show.
You're done. And if you wonder who cares?
Shoe, dog. Wow.
Are you gonna put your shoe on?
NBC.
No, no, leave your sock on.
She might be green, but she's certainly trained.
Wyatt.
Star. She's from this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Smash. The Monday episode on NBC.
Hello.
I love you. Wyatt.
Let me see those piggies. Let me see the piggies.
Oh, he's trying to put his shoe back on.
This is a piggy. Let me see your piggies.
What happened? Don't it go on?
When you need fast, sore throat, and cough relief, get Suprats. Specially formulated
Will Mama do it?
to soothe your sore throat and suppress your cough. Serious medicine for serious sore throats and coughs. Suprats. It's all in the tin.
Ever feel like psoriasis or eczema when you're hiding?
All the time.
It's for Dermarest with a power